What's up, everybody? I hope everyone is getting ready for Christmas, getting ready for the holiday, getting ready for the kids opening the presents, getting ready for relaxing, and it's going to be a lot of sports on tomorrow. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com with a Santander update. This news had broke yesterday. Uh, it was actually, you know, Santander admitted to this in the Santander multi-state settlement in a way, but it looks like it was deeper than what we all knew it was. Knew it was. And it was for them reporting, having violations in the way that they reported on people's credit reports. Let me tell you, one of the ways that I had always uh, thought was a problem with the way that they were reporting charge-offs on individuals' credit reports, and they still had the vehicle. So if they report you having a charge-off, but you're actually still paying Santander the monthly payments, how can that be a legitimate charge-off? And some people in the know think that Santander actually did that as a business decision, and let me explain. If you're already going to Santander for a subprime loan, which means that you probably couldn't get approved by one of the more reputable lenders or the ones that are going to give you a decent interest rate. In a way, they have set up a system similar to what I see with payday loan stores in communities, is where basically they're the only one that's going to ever lend someone some money as a payday loan play. So their customers are mostly repeat customers. And Santander has kind of made a similar type deal by placing individuals with that are still paying loans to them. They're still paying monthly payments, and they put a charge off on their credit reports. So when any other lender or car dealer looks at that, they see that balance, and you go in there and you say, but I'm paying them. They're going to say, but how can you be paying them if it's a charge off? And we know that there was an issue on why they were doing a charge off so they could put it with their debt collection department. When they put it in the debt collection department, even if they eventually came and repoed the vehicle, they wouldn't have to worry about anything with the way that the account was stated. They could sell the vehicle for whatever they wanted, and they wouldn't have to report it because it wasn't placed on there as a repo for most individuals. Not to say that it didn't happen for some, but for most individuals' accounts that I've seen with Santander that had a charge off, it never did report as a repo. And as a repo, you have a right to see what they sold the vehicle for, and then that amount is reported on what you owe. Is sent to you for it. That's the amount that they can come after you for, or a debt collector can come after you for. But Santander was playing a whole different game. So let's just take a look at it here. Santander Consumer USA was ordered to pay $4.7 million to Consumer Financial Protection Bureau for violating the Fair Credit Reporting Act. In a press release, he says Santander allegedly knew that it was providing incorrect consumer data to the three major credit reporting agencies. Santander is originator and servicer of non-prime, which is considered subprime auto loans and leases, and provides credit information to the credit reporting agencies via monthly data files. This here monthly data files. Everybody understand this? So just because something is submitted and you think that it has to be corrected, that all of the different companies submit their information on different days per each month. So you can have something that's going to be correct on your credit, but it won't show up until the next month or the month after, just depending on when they submit and depending on when the credit reporting agency does their refresh of the report. They do it every month, but it could be caught in between the time periods on when they give their monthly data and the credit reporting agency does their monthly refresh. Now, they state from 2016 to 2019, it discovered numerous systematic errors, that's what they want to call it, that lowered consumers' credit scores, such as wrong date, account first became delinquent, which goes into the changing it over into a charge-off write-off. And let's see here. It says that Santander must correct all inaccuracies and errors and implement measures to improve and ensure the accuracy of the consumer's information it provides to the credit reporting agencies. Also, let's see here. Let's see here. There was another, okay, right here. It said that also some other banks were included in this. It said Santander, Deutsche Bank, Barclays, HSBC are all reportedly planning internal investigations to ensure fairness in lending during the pandemic. Well, this was just an additional story, but you could just see that there's been a lot of problems with Santander, and it took them to get millions of people to file complaints against them before something was actually done on this. So right now, if you have a Santander account right now, and we've been doing it for our clients, you got to get the information back out to them, because now that this press release has hit, you know that they're going to even be paying more attention to getting this stuff done, and they would probably rather just erase it and be done with it rather than continuing to leave that on there. The $4.7 million, that is not going to any individuals, it's going to the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau. All right, this is Stephen Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need help with your credit, please visit thecreditrepairshop.com. All of the links and resources are below this video. Thank you.